Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best handbag hook is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for anyone who frequently dines out, works in an office, or travels, offering a simple yet ingenious solution to keep your personal belongings off the floor and within easy reach, ensuring your bag remains clean, secure, and conveniently accessible throughout your day, making it an indispensable item for maintaining organization and peace of mind in various settings. Number 5. Clipa Bag Hangers. Introducing the revolutionary Clipa Bag Hangers. This innovative design seamlessly transforms from a ring to a hook, making it incredibly convenient. Don't let its size fool you. It's engineered to hold up to 33 pounds, providing robust support for your belongings. It requires only half an inch of space to hang your bag. This means you can easily attach it to almost any surface. Designed for ultimate convenience, you can operate it with just one hand. Perfect for when you're on the go. Choose the perfect match for your style from our selection of 9 available designs. There's a Clipa for everyone. We stand by our quality. This product comes with a 3-year warranty, ensuring your peace of mind. What we like? This option offers exceptional strength, holding up to 33 pounds. Its unique ring design opens into a hook and closes automatically, making it incredibly easy to use with just one hand. If you carry heavier bags or want a secure, effortless solution, this is the one for you. What people say. This handbag hook is very sturdy and can hold my heavy purse without any issues. The design is sleek and elegant, it looks great on my table and doesn't take up much space. It's incredibly convenient to have a place to hang my bag, keeping it off the floor and within easy reach. Number 4. KWMOBILE Folding Purse Hook Set. Never lose track of your bag again. This handy hanger keeps your purse within easy reach, whether you're at a restaurant, in the office, or at home. Avoid dirty floors and accidental trampling. By hanging your bag next to you, it stays clean and safe from damage. Designed for convenience, it folds up easily for transport. Its lightweight aluminum alloy construction makes it perfect for on-the-go use. Rest assured your bag will stay put. The non-slip bottom ensures a secure grip, preventing your bag from sliding off. Each hanger supports up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. Despite its strength, it's incredibly lightweight for easy carrying. This set comes in a sleek silver finish, adding a touch of style to your everyday carry. What we like? Get a convenient set of 2 for versatile placement. This foldable hanger keeps your bag off the floor and safe, featuring a non-slip grip to ensure it stays put. If you need a practical solution from multiple locations or want an extra one for a friend, this set is a great choice. What people say. It is very sturdy and holds my heavy purse. I love that it folds up and is easy to carry. It looks very elegant and matches my purse. Number 3. KWMOBILE Folding Purse Hook Set. Never lose track of your bag again. Keep your purse conveniently close by in restaurants, bars, the office, or at home with this stylish hanger. Avoid the floor and keep your bag safe from being kicked or trampled. This hanger keeps your belongings clean and secure right beside you. Designed for convenience, this hanger folds up easily for transport. Its lightweight aluminum alloy construction makes it perfect for on-the-go use. The non-slip bottom ensures your bag stays put. You can trust it to hold your belongings securely without sliding. Crafted from lightweight aluminum alloy, each hanger can support up to 3 kilograms, 6.6 pounds. It's both durable and easy to carry. What we like? This set also provides 2 hangers, perfect for keeping your bag accessible and clean. Its foldable nature makes it easy to carry, and it boasts a secure magnetic closure. If you appreciate a sleek design and the convenience of a magnetic clasp, this option is ideal. What people say. This handbag hook is very sturdy and can hold a heavy bag without any issues. The design is sleek and modern, and it folds up compactly for easy storage. It's incredibly convenient to have a place to hang my purse when I'm out and about. Number 2. Mixed Pattern Foldable Women's Bag Purse Hook. Introducing a set of 6 beautifully designed bag hooks, perfect for any lady or girl. Keep your belongings secure and off the floor with these stylish accessories. Each hook features a rubber backing and non-slip coating, ensuring your bag stays put. This prevents slippage and keeps your purse clean and safe from dirty surfaces. Adorned with a beautiful flower decoration, these hooks are as fashionable as they are practical. Their foldable design makes them easy to pack and store for on-the-go use. When folded, they are incredibly compact, measuring just 4.5 by 1 centimeter. Unfolded, they provide a convenient length of 9 centimeters for hanging your bag. Don't let their size fool you. Each hook can hold up to approximately 22 pounds. They are made from durable zinc alloy, built to last. This set includes 6 mixed pattern purse hooks, along with a lovely gold gift bag. It makes a wonderful and thoughtful gift for any woman or girl. What we like? Looking for a stylish and practical gift? This set includes 6 mixed pattern hooks, each with a high weight capacity of 22 pounds. The beautiful designs and included gift box make them perfect for gifting. If you want a charming and functional accessory for yourself or as a present, this set is a fantastic option. What people say. It is very sturdy and holds my purse securely. The design is elegant and it looks great on my table. It folds up small and is easy to carry in my purse. Number 1. TANOSII Foldable Bling Rhinestone Purse Hook. Introducing the TANOSII Foldable Purse Hook, a stylish and functional accessory for your everyday needs. Keep your handbag secure and clean wherever you go. Adorned with dazzling rhinestones, this hanger adds a touch of glamour to your life. It's not just a hanger, it's a statement piece. Crafted from durable zinc alloy with an anti-slip rubber disc, it ensures a firm grip on tables up to 1.97 inches thick. Your bag will stay put. Designed for life on the move, this foldable hook is incredibly lightweight and compact. Easily fits into your pocket or purse for convenient use anytime, anywhere. Despite its delicate appearance, it's built to last and can hold up to 11 pounds. You can trust it to support your heavier bags with ease. Whether you're at a cafe, restaurant, or office, this hanger is the perfect companion. Keep your belongings safe and off the floor. What we like? Add a touch of sparkle to your everyday. This hook features a dazzling rhinestone design and an anti-slip rubber base for stability. It's lightweight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere. If you love a bit of glamour and want a secure, portable solution, this blinged-out hanger is perfect for you. What people say. This handbag hook is very sturdy and can hold a heavy bag. The design is sleek and modern. It looks great on my table. It's foldable and portable, making it easy to carry around. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.